Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Nadias Kitchen Vlogs in USA. Today we're here at this very luxury, very famous store called Louis Vuitton. As you guys may have heard, this is a very, very popular luxury high brand. So we decided to show you guys in today because we decided to grab a couple items. And yeah, so we're inside here. We're not allowed to basically vlog in here, but my mom did get a bit of sneak peeks, and we were just showing you guys the sunglasses, a couple of these bags, and these are the new edition bags, and these are absolutely stunning. I love them. And then this is the Louis Vuitton Paris edition. Oh my god, my mom really liked this one, but I didn't really like it. Not my type of thing. And then here are some more bags. This is like the whole collection. It's laid out in the front. It's so pretty. I love it. And then here are some of these Louis Vuitton belts. And then this new collection. So they have everything color coordinated. So like purple, black. And then here is the very beautiful mint green. And then they have yellow. Oh my god. Stunning. And then here are these Louis Vuitton sunglasses. And then this is what I was specifically looking for. I was looking for some really big, like ginormous Louis Vuitton sunglasses that, you know, can cover up my whole face. Not my whole face, but like the upper half of my face. And then my mom was just showing you guys some of these Louis Vuitton sneakers. I thought these were pretty cute. I really liked them. My favorite one would have to be the white and green ones. They're so nice. They look really cute. And I wanted to get these Louis Vuitton sandals, but they didn't have them in my size, unfortunately. So that's for the next time. And then here I am just showing you guys some of these perfumes, these colognes. They smell absolutely divine, worth every single penny because they last really long. And, you know, like other perfumes, they usually go away within an hour or two. This one, this will linger around you, your clothing, the whole day. It's so amazing. I absolutely love it. And then here is the new collection as well. The sales associate that was helping us was telling us that this is a new collection that they have, and this is limited edition. So I thought that was really cute. And then just showing you some of these display items. Super cute. I love them. And then same thing, some of these display items, just showing you guys one by one. I really like them. And then there is this burgundy colored bag. It's so cute. I don't know if it's gonna be in this frame or no. I don't think so. Yeah, anyways, this is our sales associate handing us some water to make us feel special, you know. Anyways, this is the thing that we got from Louis Vuitton. So she's just packing it up. And this was just our small little vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn the post notification bell on. And let me know in the comments down below if there's anything else that you would like to see. And shout out to my beautiful sales associate. She was so kind and helping us out. And she made us feel super comfortable and very sweet. Yeah, and I love her. And yeah, bye guys. Take care.